First, I'm going to draw 2 half circles and color them in at the edge of my paper. Now I'm going to draw 2 big circles under those half circles. These are going to be the eyes, and I'm going to draw circles inside of them and designs. You can make them however you want. You can also trace circles to make the eyes. Next, I'm going to draw the scales of my fish. These look like a bunch of the letter U in a row. I'm going to use watercolor paints to paint over my fish. And you may remember in class, watercolors do not stick to crayons, so your crayon drawing will still show through. I'm waking up my paints by adding water to them. I'm very gently getting that colored water and spreading it over my paper. I'm not pressing down really hard. And I can let the colors blend into each other as I paint. You can use whatever materials you have to make your koinobori. When I'm done painting, I'll let it dry. For my next step, I'm going to curl my paper into a cylinder and staple the 2 ends. If you don't have a stapler, you can also use tape or glue. Next, I'm going to punch a hole on both sides near the end. If you don't have a hole punch, you can use another tool, but make sure you have a grown-up help you. Now I'm going to cut a long piece of yarn. You can use string or yarn. And I'm going to put it through both of the holes at the top, all the way through. I'm going to pull it up so it's even, and I'll tie a knot at the end. And now you can hang your flag. Kodomo no hi.